So we are at Old Navy and we're looking at clothing. And did you find anything for me, Zaya?
No.
Can I have this?
No.
Can I have this one right here?
No.
Are you gonna approve anything? Are you gonna approve anything? I already asked her. Are you gonna approve anything? No.
Hi friends, good morning. Happy Friday. So, it's Friday. It was a short week because of, you know, the holiday. No, that was 2 weeks ago. I'm really confused. All my days are mixed up. Just joking. But it was a short week because we went on vacation. So I'm all sorts of confused. I know y'all missed the girls. Hi, say hi girls. Hi. Oh. But very exciting day. Secret Life of Pets 2 came out today, guys. So that's where we're headed right now. We are taking Zaya with us. We didn't take Zaya to the movies until she was like past 2. But you know,
the Grinch one.
yeah. I don't know what she's saying. The Grinch. Oh, the Grinch. She's saying she went to the Grinch last. But you know, Zaya's really good at sitting down.
My mommy and daddy.
With mommy and daddy. Now with Leah. But we're bringing Leah now because she's really good at watching TV. So we'll see. It's only an hour and a half. We'll see, guys. We'll let you know. So how was the movie, Zay? Look at the camera. How was it? What did you watch? Secret Life of Pets 2. The whole time during the previews, she was like, "Where's the movie? Where's Secret Life of Pets, Mom?" But she sat through the whole thing, didn't go to the bathroom once. Same with Zaya. She was in there the whole time. No fussing, no crying, just eating popcorn and watching the screen. Let's ask her how she liked it. Leah, did you like the movie, baby?
You like the movie? She can't focus right now.
Oh, I like. Oh. One for you, one for me. So we're about to have Japanese. We're actually out today on Friday instead of Saturday because why not? Jonathan, you know, his schedule is really flexible, and Zayanna, because we went on our trip last week, she was asking for mommy daddy time, right? Yeah. Oh, did you miss us? Are you gonna cry? We're not going anywhere. Are you having fun? We can have lunch. And then what else are we gonna do? Play. And then what else? What are we gonna eat? What are we gonna eat? Take sushi. Did you show them your chopsticks? Show them your chopsticks. Ooh, she's gonna use chopsticks. Woo!
You guys, it's brutal out here at this playground. Zayanna really only ate all her food at lunch because of, you know, bribing her. We have no shame in bribing our kids when it comes to eating and, you know, doing the right thing. But it's every man for themselves out here. It literally is a poop show. Look at Zaya. She's all the way over there trying to get up there. She was scared earlier, but I'm gonna see if she can do it on her own. Let's see if she can be like her sister, which is up there. What's wrong, babe? Come on, come up here. Can you come up here? Can you do it? No, it's okay, baby. It's okay. So a quick hack to all you parents that have multiple children, more than one, and something Zayanna just told me about. Every time we go out, she likes to put them in bright colors because right now when Zayanna wants to go get us some coffee, I would lose each one of them like every couple seconds because, you know, there's 2 of them and they're just, you know, doing their own thing. But
No.
we are
Fighting.
yeah, so Zayanna and Zaya are fighting as
This one is your sister.
Zalia's just like picking everything off the floor, eating it, pretzels here, popcorn at the movies. It's literally, we have to watch her every second. But of course, every other parent does have to watch her, you know, they're 1-year-old too, but it's just crazy. 1.5, 3.5, definitely a handful, and we're definitely had to make this stop here today because we've noticed that, because the girls go to daycare at least once a week, we know on those nights, they go to sleep so much easier than they stay home, you know. We just chill, we watch our movies, we draw, you know, all that stuff, but they need to get this energy out so we can have our peace and quiet at night.
Trying to watch Ant-Man and the Wasp.
I know, seriously.
It's been a minute.
I know. Oh, where are they?
Now we're fighting over a popsicle.
Is it yours? That's not nice.
No.
Okay, you want some?
Yeah, we have to share. Okay, we have to share.
Say please. Say please. Here.
Can you show everyone your popsicle? Where are you going, girl? No. Okay. Okay, show everyone your popsicle. Morning, guys. So it's Sunday now. Yesterday we didn't vlog because, well, we went to a graduation and then we actually went car shopping. But we didn't buy anything. It was just like a, let's look. Like, we didn't bring the girls. We brought them to my aunt's house. And it was like a, let's look to see what we like. Because we don't really know what kind of car we want to get. So we went to one of those dealerships, like CarMax, or I think that's what it's called, where they have like all the different types of there, so you could just like look at everything. Because the guy was like, what are you looking for? And Jonathan's like, to look. And I'm like, no, the guy wants to know where to point us in the right, like what direction to point us in. Because, you know, they had everything. Like, we looked at everything from sedans to SUVs. So we'll see, maybe that'll become a thing. We decided maybe in the next like 6 months to a year. We're not really sure. It's more like now that we've seen cars that we like, we're like set on like maybe like 2 different ones and colors. Like, it's like if we're gonna really get another car, let's get the color we want. Like, not just black on black like we already have. But anyway, we're about to head out. I'm trying to get us ready. The girls are watching Bubble Guppies, and I don't know what Jonathan's doing. So we're about to head out to Presidio Picnic. It's something we've done before, so I'm sure Jonathan can link like to an old video. But it's like 100 degrees here where we live today, so it's about to be like 70 in the city. About to be hecka nice. And one of the things I like about where we're going is it's like a picnic, right? And you could bring stuff also. So there's like a bunch of food trucks that you could purchase from, which is what I always look forward to in trying different things. So it becomes family friendly in that sense, right? But you could also bring like your own food for the kids, your own food for yourself. Pretty sure I didn't see anything on their website that says you can't bring alcohol. So I'm about to fill up this corksicle. Focus. Corksicle, focus. Corksicle. I'm about to fill this corksicle up with this entire bottle. Let's see if it even fits. It claims that it'll fit. Whoa. Ta-da.
All right. We are finally here, guys. So we are in San Francisco in the Presidio, and we have found a place. It was a struggle getting here. We forgot Zalia's shoes. We forgot a canopy, like a small canopy. But we finally have some food. I think some people over here are a little hangry, so I think we're gonna fix that soon. Look at that smile.
Always
hangry. But we have some
advice
viewers.
to husbands: you don't starve your wives. You never starve your wives.
All right.
Golly.
But we do here have these skewers, and we also have what, chicken, steak, and another chicken. And we have these cool rice balls. It's rice with Chinese sausage and then grilled spam musubi. Looks amazing.
Way too hot, guys.
Numbers, Mommy.
Oh, there's numbers. It's way too hot. Oh. And of course, we're not at Disneyland, but we found something Disney to do. So the Presidio picnic is right here in the Presidio next to the Walt Disney Family Museum. And one of our friends, shout out to Jan, you know, she was working today. So we're checking out the museum. And there's a new special exhibit called Mickey Mouse from Walt to the World.
The world.
And it's add-on to the regular admission ticket. But right now we're following the Mickeys on the floor to get us there, and Zay's leading the way. Zay, what do you see on the floor?
Watch out, the cars.
Cars. Wait. Okay, what do you see? What do you see? We're following the Mickeys.
There you go. Share, baby. Share. Go ahead and share. Leah, share. Go ahead and put it in. Good job.